Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to add your YouTube channel link onto X app. Okay, so you can see this is the X app home page. So you need to click here, this one. It's called left top corner on your screen. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see here some option. So you need to click profile. Simply click on profile. Once you click on profile, then you need to click or tap edit profile. Tap on edit profile, then here you can see its website. Okay, so you can write your YouTube channel here. YouTube, sorry, like youtube.com slash, you can write your channel name, or you can copy your channel name from your YouTube, and after that simply tap on the save. Once you tap on the save, then you can see it's added perfectly. So you can edit any social media link through this way. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.